Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kerry. This is another kind of time here that we are blessed. I thank you all whoever comes back here to watch my channel again. My name is Kerry in YouTube. I thank you so much. Welcome back here. Welcome again. I say hi, hello, how are you outside there? Thank you so much for coming back here. Today we're gonna do an exercise here. There is a small pole that we store water inside, but it drips water here, so I have to show you. We have to repair today, so you're gonna enjoy my video here. Whoever comes back here to watch my channel again, thank you so much for coming here. Let's go and move and do the job that brought us here. So guys, this is the pot here. We usually store drinking water inside. Here in the village we don't have fridges. Like we store our water in such a pot, and when we drink the water it's very cold. As you know, here in the village we are not in a hot place. Everything here is cold, so when you store your water inside the pot like this one here, it is very comfortable and it is very cold. But now my pot here, it is dripping out. When we put some water inside for drinking, it drips out, as you can see here. Let me show you how it does. Here, like here you can see some water here. It drips some water, so we have to, here I have some cement here. This is cement here, so we have to mix some cement with water, and then we have to repair it. Now we have to repair it where the dripping water comes from. You can see water is inside. I have put some water inside so that I can know where the holes are. That's where the water comes from. That is it. You see, the water can take 20 liters of water here. And there are some small pots here. These are some rocks. So let's move to the business. Let's repair the pots. So guys, here we have to mix the cement. I have to mix the cement with water here. This is the cement here. And this is the water, so we mix. I've never done this job even a single day, but today I'm trying. Oh, people do it. Oh, it puts a lot of water. I need more cement. There you go. You leave some comments down there if you have ever done such a job here, repairing a dripping pot. This is it. This is how it looks. Guys, I think all over here, like here, the water drips out from inside. The water drips out on this position here, so we have to put some cement like this. Where the water drips out, we smear with the cement here. where it drips out, you can see the pot is wet. This is it. Hope you are enjoying the video here, and you leave some comments, leave the video a like, give the video a like, and subscribe. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel here. Guess that the other position is here. You can see how it is wet here. It is a kind of wet, so we put again some cement here like this. I think we should put all over like this. This is really village life where you don't throw away things. We just repair them. If you have strength, if you have an IQ that is working very well, you have to do something special, and then you repair your pot nicely like this. Let's put it down, and you should be careful, because it breaks just anyhow. Guys, this is it. Look how it looks now. You know, I am not sure where the dripping comes from. That's why I've decided to put it around like this all over. I've put the cement all over like this. So I don't know where the dripping comes from, because I'm not sure. That's why I have decided to do that. Look how amazing it is. This is the fridge, the fridge. We usually put water here so that the water should be cold, very cold. So from here we leave it to dry like 2 to 3 days, and then we shall put some water, we shall clean it, and then we put some water inside. We store some water inside for drinking. That's it. Let me show you how it is. My hands are very dirty now. Look how this is the village life. Even gloves, I don't have gloves to use. That's why I decided just to do it like that. Hope you enjoy my video. This is it. This is what I've been doing here. Look, this is the cement I put all over here. This is the cement. I still believe that cement can do very well when the pot has like dripping some water here, because the pot, I mean, is being made out of clay here. So you enjoy my video here, and subscribe to my channel. Whoever is new here, kindly subscribe and leave some comments here. Ciao, bye bye.